My name is Yonark, and today we will learn how to ski. Really, that you ski is you just embarrass yourself like that. Yeah, like that. Toes first, and then on the back you'll hear a sound of a click. See, right? So this is the most basic thing that you need to learn if you want to stop. I am so scared of that one. That one's We can go to the. तो स्की पहले करने से पहले हम बात करते हैं स्की के कपड़ों की। तो सारी चीज़ें आपकी जो हैं बूट से लेके ऊपर तक इट हैज़ टू बी वाटर प्रूफ, क्योंकि स्नो पे गिरोगे गीले हो जाओगे, हाइपोथर्मिया हो जाएगा, मर जाओगे। That's not what we want. So, okay, hang on. So, I need to put the boots on again. So, you have to do it all the way up, and then it goes sideways. Then you go as far as you can from here, and then just clip it like so. So, shoes का बहुत खुले नहीं होने चाहिए और बहुत टाइट नहीं होने चाहिए. The front toe should just be touching the front side of the shoe. If it's touching too far, if it's like too tight, you're not gonna enjoy it. If it's too loose, you're not gonna enjoy it. Hey, you wanna put on the skis is get on to the slope, but make sure कि अगर slope ऐसे है तो skis आपकी ऐसे हैं. अगर आप slope के साथ ऐसे ski डालोगे तो whenever you put on the ski, you're just gonna go with the glide and you're just gonna fall. So make sure कि slope के हमेशा against ये ऐसे जा रही हैं. And then you just step on it, toes first, and then on the back you'll hear a sound of a click. See, you heard that? जब क्लिक की आवाज़ आए that means the skis are on your locked and done. And then you poles. मैं कहूँगा बिगिनर्स के लिए पोल्स बहुत ऑप्शनल है. I don't really used it when I started learning it, so they're totally optional. But if you want some help getting up, especially अगर if you fallen down, अगर उठना है तो कभी कभी इसका यूज़ भी आ जाता है, कभी कभी इसका यूज़ नहीं भी आता, but it's totally up to you. So जब स्की अब डाल लिए हैं, the way you want to do the start is think about how you just want to get used to the length of the skis, क्योंकि the way you walk, like छोटे feet हैं, अब ये बड़े feet हो गए हैं, you just gonna get used to it. So maybe the first activity that I want you to do is just focus on कि आपके just understand कि इतने बड़े shoes हैं, and now how you gonna get comfortable in that. So the way I do is I get used to the glide. थोड़ा आगे नीचे हुआ, and then you walk up and then try to walk back. Do that for at least 10-15 minutes. You should be slightly more comfortable with the skis and see kya possibilities hai. And then you get just comfortable with the skis. And the second thing is, once you are comfortable with the skis, the way you want to stand is your feet, your knees, और आपका जो head है, it should be in the straight line. So you shouldn't be like this. You shouldn't be going anywhere like this. It's very strict. Just gonna fall off the back. If you want to fall, just fall on the front. Come embarrassment or come pain. So your feet, knees, and then your head should be in just one direction. See, अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक लेके जा रहा हूँ तो they're all in just straight line. Then you just bend down and you just start walking. Slowly start walking, right? So ये हो गया हमारा getting used to the skis. Second part now is how to stop. The first जब आप पहली बार ski करने आते हैं तो I think पहली ski is always embarrassment. 90% embarrassment and 10% ski. You're getting used to the ski. You're getting used to people gliding on. अगर आपने कभी skating नहीं करी है, कभी कुछ ऐसी activity नहीं करी है where you are used to gliding, which I did not. So it was 90% embarrassment for me. The way to save yourself from embarrassment is stopping yourself. The way you stop yourself is, there's a term called pizza. So it's like a shape of a pizza slice, and then you just stop it like this, and then आगे से दोनों को इकट्ठे कर लेना है, and then bend your knees. So the way you will अगर आप walk करके आ रहे हैं, the way you want to just stop is just do this. So I slightly demonstrate कि कैसे कर सकते हैं. Hang on, just gonna walk around a little bit. कर सकते हैं. See, मैं ऐसे बेंड करके आ रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे आ रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे आ रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल स्टॉप करना है तो right. So this is the most basic thing that you need to learn if you want to stop from falling, and don't be afraid of falling. See, the thing is, like in life, you get better by falling. Anyway, so let's assume I've fallen down. Ooh. Now you can't walk, you can't get up like that because there are big skis around you, right? So the way you want to get up is like ये दोनों अब पोल्स की यहाँ पे हेल्प लगती है. सी अगर आपको ऐसे सीधा करने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, जस्ट ऐसे ऐसे लेटे रहना है, एंड देन यू जस्ट गो अराउंड, एंड देन either with your hand or with the help of the ski poles a little bit, try to get up. Then like this, and then again make pizza. The trick is always make pizza. At any speed, you should be able to make pizza and stop yourself. That's the second lesson. And जब आपने शुरुआत पहला आपका दिन है ना स्की करने का, तो आपने सीधा डायरेक्टली नहीं जाना है. ये आगे स्लोप दिख रहा है, इसमें आपने सीधा नहीं जाना. यू ऑलवेज गो swirl around like S shapes. It's called S shape. तो धीरे धीरे ऐसे साइड करते करते जाना ताकि आपकी जो स्पीड और रेजिस्टेंस है वो ज़्यादा तेज ना हो, एंड देन यू आर एबल टू स्टॉप योरसेल्फ. सी S is this way and that way. तो बेसिकली क्या है, आपने खड़े होना है हमेशा. आपकी जो नीज है वो लॉक ऐसे स्ट्रेट होने चाहिए और हमेशा ऐसे बेंड होने चाहिए.
Alright, so when you feel confident, just come on to the slopes. Remember, knees bend, lean forward, and just make your S's. And when a person comes and collides into you, give them a free fall lesson. And yeah, keep moving, back on track, smooth turns, looking good, feeling unstoppable, right? Make your S's, remember, lean forward. If you want, you can go a little faster, even faster, go straight. And yeah, lesson number 2 is don't underestimate gravity. But if you fall down, remember the golden words.
घबराना नहीं है. That was it for today's video. Basic जब सीख जाओगे तब ब्लू ब्लैक सब कुछ होगा. बट अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, and then here we go. Oh fuck! Perfect. Fuck guys, I am so scared of that one. I am so scared of that one. That one's you can go to the blue. Man, that was like really scary.